Life Force Edit Trend Tutorial. Let's start editing. First clip, Blackpink photo, duration to 0.0 seconds. Add the keyframe at the beginning and adjust the photo a little bit smaller, and right near the first keyframe, adjust the photo into normal size. Keyframe is automatically added. Add graph cubic in. Remember that you can use any K-pop group or idol for this edit. Now add 6 photos as overlay. And place the first 4 photos on the screen according to your preference. Mine looks like this. For the 5th photo overlay, you can use a normal photo or like I did with the remove background. Add animation rock vertically for 0.2 second on every overlay clip. On the 6th photo overlay, add effect body effect, cutout poster under stroke. Second clip, 0.5 second video clip. Screenshot and crop the first part of the second clip, and use the photo as the 6th overlay clip. Add 0.2 second white photo overlay on the second clip, with splice overlay and animation fade out. The third clip is the continuation of the second video clip, duration 0.8 second. Adjust the saturation to -50 to make the video black and white. Add 5 photos as an overlay clip, with animation rock vertically for 0.2 second each. The 5th overlay clip should be the screenshot photo of the 4th clip. Crop it and remove the background. Then add the body effect cutout poster under stroke. Fourth clip duration is 0.6 second, and 5th clip is 0.9 second, and adjust the saturation to -50. Add 0.3 second white photo as overlay, with splice overlay and animation fade out. Add 4 photos of each member as overlay. Place them on the screen, according to your preference, and no animation was added. The 6th clip is 0.6 second. You can use black photo or like what I did here, I used a Blackpink photo and I just adjusted the opacity to 0 to make it black. Add 4 photos of each member as overlay. I used the same photos and placed them on the screen like this, with animation swing bottom for 0.2 second each. Overlay clip duration, 0.6 second each. 7th clip. Add 0.4 second photo with effect fuzzy under glitch. And adjust the speed to 100. 8th clip. Add 2.0 seconds black photo, or add the same photo and adjust the opacity to 0 to make it black like this. Add 4 photos as overlay, with animation fade in and fade out. And place the photos on the screen like I did. Use the same photos as overlay, and adjust the clip duration to 0.5 second. Place them like this. Add animation zoom in for 0.2 second on every clip. Ninth clip is the screenshot photo of this part. Crop and add it on the main clip. Duration 0.5 second. Adjust the saturation to -50 to make the photo black and white. And add effect fuzzy under glitch. Add photo as overlay. Duration is 0.5 second, and add body effect cutout poster under stroke. Then add animation rock vertically for 0.3 second to the overlay clip. Tenth clip. Video clip duration is 1.0 second. Add 0.1 second white photo as overlay with animation fade out. Place it on the upper part of the screen. Duplicate the white photo overlay and place it on the lower part of the screen. Next, white photo overlay, 0.2 second. Cover the whole screen. No splice at adjust animation fade out. Add another white photo as overlay. Duration 0.6 second, with splice overlay. Use mask mirror and add keyframe at the beginning. Place the white photo on the middle part of the screen. Add keyframe at the middle part of the clip, and adjust the white photo on the screen to make it a bit bigger. And at the end, cover the whole screen. Then add graph cubic in. Eleventh clip is the continuation of the 10th clip video, duration 0.6 second. Adjust the saturation to -50 to make it black and white. The overlay photo is from the 12th video clip. Screenshot and crop and remove the background. Add animation rock vertically for 0.2 second to the overlay clip, and add effect, cutout poster under stroke. The 12th clip duration is 1.8 second. Add 0.3 second white photo as overlay and with splice overlay and animation fade out. Now add 4 photos as overlay. You can use normal photos or with remove background. Place them on the screen according to your preference. Then add animation swing bottom for 0.2 second each. The 13th clip is the screenshot photo of this part. Just crop it and adjust the saturation to -50, duration is 0.5 second. Add effect cut under glitch on the main clip. The second effect cutout poster is for the overlay clip. Add animation rock vertically for 0.3 second to the overlay clip. The duration of the overlay is 0.5 second. Next, 14th clip duration is 0.9 second. Add any colored photo as overlay, duration 0.1 second. Use mask circle and place it on the screen according to your preference, and add animation fade out. Do the same on the next overlay clip, duration 0.2 second. Same steps on the next overlay, duration is 0.5 second, just add keyframe at the beginning, and adjust the circle into smaller size, and at the end cover the whole screen. 15th clip duration is 0.5 second, and add white photo as overlay. Use mask mirror and add keyframe at the beginning, hide the white photo on the upper part of the screen, and at the end, hide it on the lower part of the screen. And add splice overlay. 16th clip duration is 2.0 seconds. Add white photo as overlay with splice overlay and animation fade out. The 4 overlays are displayed on the screen this way. And for the 5th overlay, use the mask heart, add keyframe at the first part, then adjust the heart into a smaller size, and at the end, cover the whole screen. Then add graph cubic in. Last white photo overlay duration is 0.4 second, with splice overlay and animation fade out. And on the main clip, add effect color film under retro. And then add animation fade out for 0.5 second. To create a loop edit, add the same photo that you used on the first clip as overlay. Add keyframe at the beginning and make it smaller like this, and at the end, zoom in the photo. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to support the channel and help others discover this content. When finished, export the project.